urgent. Let's complete it. Bridge construction. Who should be a crane? Woo! Concrete. Concrete mixer. Mixer transform. Super truck team, let's set off. Complete the task. Go, go, go. You're finally here, truck team. Come with me. A bridge needs to be built here to enable vehicles on both sides of the river to pass through quick. Truck team, I'll count on you for this task. You can count on us. Super truck team. Let's get to work. Be sure to tighten the steel wire with the handle. Let's piece the bridge deck model together with steel bars first. Drag the lifting hook to the lift bridge deck for assembling.
Oh no! Oh shit!
Let's concrete the bridge deck.
Oh no!
I'm the road roller. Let's compact the road to make it level. Use a marking machine to draw neat white lines on the bridge deck. Once the concrete is air dried and solidified, pour white paint into the marking machine. Team. The bridge you have built is so amazing. Thank you very much. Super Truck Team, let amusement park renovation. Who should be assigned as the team leader? Crane, transform! Super Truck Team, let's set off! You're finally here, Truck Team! Come with me! This amusement park has been abandoned for a long time. I want to renovate.
Oh no!
Truck Team, I'll count on you. No problem. You can count on Super Truck Team. Let's get to work. Let's secure the support first.
Oh no! Oh shit!
The building of aquarium is completed. Install the cabins on the Ferris wheel.
Oh no! Oh shit!
Yeah, the installation of Ferris wheel is completed. Let's assemble the tracks first. The installation of roller coaster tracks is completed. Next, let's inflate the castle. Swipe up to connect the pump with the castle. Tap the button to inflate the castle. The bouncy castle is ready. Yeah, the construction of the amusement park is completed. I'm quite satisfied with the renovated amusement park.